Class Class 9 values. So value is an essential part in the human consciousness. Essential attribute means it is something which is in our human consciousness itself, it is existing. A machine cannot, a physical object cannot value. Animals also, they do not have value, but to certain extent they also have values, very very low extent. But human beings have values to a large extent, conscious in their consciousness. See, animals do not wear dress. They do not bother about cleanliness to a large extent. They eat food wherever it finds. Okay, but human beings are not like that. So, value means it is qualitative significance of our ideas, feelings, activities, and experiences. What qualitative significance what you give to that? They are the evaluative standards or quality of living space what we create for ourselves. According to one's value, the evaluative standard increases or decreases. If a person having a lower value, his standard itself will be low. If a person has higher value, it will be higher. For example, even in case of material objects also, say uh, an electronic goods, say mobile phone. Okay, when you say quality, say pixel, say memory storage, etc., etc., or pixel, actually storage is regarding with the quantity, but when you say quality, it is a resolution of your screen. Better resolution means better image formation. So the person who has higher standard will expect higher resolution. A person may not have higher standard, he will not expect that. Even there also. So write any 5 points are enough. So values are essence of life. They are like building blocks in a structure. According to our values, our life builds up. Values become uh, values make us in the process of becoming. What you become depends upon what values you have or develop. It is the transformation of consciousness to a higher or purer levels. More values you have, more pure or more higher your conscious level reaches. According to the values, we develop a unique personal moral template to us. Subconsciously, we assess and judge, means without need to think, you assess and judge. For example, you go to a hotel, Some people may be eating in a zigzag way. They are least bothered about cleanliness in their life. Some are bothered. Their quality of living means they follow cleanliness. Some are more health consciousness. So like that. So such people, there in their action, you will see, subconsciously they will assess and judge the people. There is no need to think because it is already in their subconscious mind. Means samskaravaagi bittide. Subconscious means samskaravagudu. Means it has become part and parcel of your mental system or behavior system. Strictly speaking, values are mm, those which promotes, generally speaking, okay, which promotes well-being and prevents harm. But in some cases, values are also considered to be negative. Actually, values are said to be only positive, but since there are opposite qualities to positive values, sometimes we say such values are negative. For example, jealous, hatredness, anger, beyond limit, etc. Those who have values in their life, they do not get upset or disheartened even during their bad times. Okay, even when ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ನಿಂದೆ ಸ್ತುತಿ ಮಾನ ಅಪಮಾನ ಲಾಭ ಹಾನಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಮಾನ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತವರಾಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. So that is an advantage of values. Sources of values. Values ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? It can be from society or from within. One is from external, one is from internal. External means, say, from parents and family, or teachers, classmates, friends, etc., or the environment where you have been brought up, the culture and tradition where you have mm, developed yourself, or it can be from within, according to your own intelligence, consciousness, thinking, churning in your mind, and judgment, and the choice what you have got, all these things, or the experience what you have perceived by your sense organs. So all these things.